All right, we're back with the second video. I walked through the formulas. We have n, which is the number of sides. So if I look at my triangle, I've got 3 sides, so 3 goes in this position. The number of triangles, so we are going to take a diagonal from one point and one point only and connect the non-adjacent vertices, which means the ones that are not next to it. And that creates triangles. So in our triangle, we only have 1 because 3 sides minus 2 is 1. We're using the triangle sum theorem for the fact that all the angles in a triangle add up to 180. So for a triangle, the sum is 180. For a quadrilateral, the sum is 360, and that's because it contains 2 separate triangles. The measure of each interior angle, provided that it is a regular polygon, we would take the sum and divide it by the number of sides. So 180 divided by 3 gave us 60. So each interior angle was 60. The sum of all the exterior angles is 360. It doesn't matter how many sides it has. The sum is always going to be 360. So we take 360 divided by 3 to get 120. That 120 measures each exterior angle in the regular polygon, provided it is regular. And there you have the formulas over here on the top. Okay, so I went through the triangle, quadrilateral, and pentagon, and I had asked you to complete the rest of the chart. So I'm going to let that run a few minutes, and I would pause so that you see the rest of the chart filled in.